This is the under-seat storage tray designed exclusively for the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. It is lightweight, flexible, and fits like a glove. Just slide it under the front seat, whether it is the driver or passenger side. No tools, no tape, no hassle. Perfect for keeping umbrellas, water bottles, and small items organized and out of sight. The tray is custom molded to ensure it does not block the seat's front or rear adjustment. Smooth sliding, no interference. You can place it at the front or back of the seat, making it easy for both front and rear passengers to access. And when it gets dirty, just pull it out, rinse it clean, and slide it right back in. Want one for your 2026 Model Y Juniper? Click the link in the description to get yours today. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Tesla accessories and installation tips. Thank you for watching.